Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to upload fonts in Canva Mobile. Alright, let's begin. Just a quick heads up, you'll need to have Canva Pro to upload custom fonts. Unfortunately, there's no free way to do this feature on the regular Canva plan. So let's get started. First, open your favorite browser and go to the URL bar. Now search for the font you want to download. For example, I'm going to download the Courier Prime font because I really like its style. Once you've found the font you want, open a trusted website where you can download it. Tap on Get Font, and then click Download All once it's downloaded. After that, open your Downloads folder, and you'll see your font file saved there. Next, open the Canva app on your mobile device. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines at the top left corner. From the menu, select Brand, and then tap on Brand Kits. Once there, tap on one of your brand kits. If you don't have Canva Pro, you might see the upload option grayed out. But if you do, just scroll down until you see the Fonts section. Tap on the plus icon, and then select Choose File, which will open your file directory. Now locate the font file you just downloaded, select it, and Canva will begin uploading it automatically. Once it's uploaded, it'll appear in your brand kit's font list. After the upload is complete, you can go back to your projects and start using the font right away. And that's it. So that's basically how you can upload fonts in Canva Mobile. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.